I will tell you exactly how to get this free avatar decor, but before that, I run a server called Pixie. It has all the high-quality server decors and layouts you need. We even have different channels like banners, dividers, and so on. The server is highly advanced with all the new techniques and technologies and advanced verification system to keep our members safe. We also do Discord Nitro giveaways. My servers currently has over 11,000 members and they increase every day. If you want to join my server, go to any of my videos description, there you will find the invite link. You can join us to make friends, mental health, and for decors and layouts, or just come check us out. Alright, so first, you need to watch this Batman video. But where is this exactly? I will tell you. Just go to Discovery tab, click Quest, and there you have it. Upon clicking it, it will ask if you're a human. Just clear that and start the video. Watch the video completely, it's just 1 minute long. So after watching it, you can claim the reward. And it seems like it's gonna be with you for only 2 months. Which means, it will be expired in February. So if you like this video, hit like and subscribe button to get early notifications for tutorial videos, free Discord Nitro and early Discord news. Take care and see ya. And one more thing, touch the damn grass.